Where's the practice? What do I do? The good black woman has self-discipline. That's self-control. Let me make that real for you, sisters. We can start with our mouth. The good black woman is courteous. She says, thank you, baby. I appreciate you doing that. I appreciate every effort you make. Try harder. The good black woman has self-respect. She don't have to go out naked just to get the attention of a man. The good black woman can pull a dress down without thinking that it devalues her. She doesn't have to use her body because she has so many other good attributes about herself to get the attention of a man. The good black woman has intelligence, meaning that she knows how to behave properly in the streets. She's not in the wrong place. The good black woman is clean. Now that's a hard one. The good black woman try to keep the house clean. The good black woman is clean by her own body. A lot of those things we kind of take for granted, but all of our people don't know about that. There are people who are angry with me because I even described the fact that some of us as sisters don't have the proper personal hygiene, as if that don't exist. The good black woman practices non-possessive loving. Now y'all know that's a hard one. Now envy is wanting what someone else has, and jealousy, of course, is just selfishness. Non-possessive loving is not an easy one for us to practice.